Hello students, let's understand this problem with an aid of 3D model. So with this question says the pentagonal lamina having an edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on VP such that the surface makes an angle 30 degrees with VP. So here we are going to keep this pentagonal lamina on VP and it is resting it on one of its corners. So corner I am going to keep it in the left side. So in the second step, the surface is inclined 30 degrees. So in this case, instead of saying the surface inclination, he has given the perpendicular bisector is inclined 30 degrees. So in front view, it will look like this. So this is the first step. So that is what we got is in the front view of the first step. Then in the top view, it is going to be a line view. So that is what we have seen in this case. So this is the second step where the perpendicular bisector of the pentagonal lamina has been inclined 30 degrees with respect to VP. So let's check with how it is going to look in the top view. So in top view it is going to be the line view. So that is what we are going to be drawing it 30 degrees. Then from here we are going to project it. In front view we are going to get this distance is 33.32. So in front view this distance would be equal to 33.312. It's going to be its front view. Then the next step is where this is that the perpendicular bisector of the lamina bisect of the edge passing the corner which the lamina rest is inclined 45 degrees to HP. That means, so let's understand with respect to 3D model what the question is that the perpendicular bisector is inclined. That means with respect to the first step, this perpendicular bisector is being inclined 45 degrees. So that means here there is no surface inclination with respect to VP. Whereas in the third step I want surface inclination with respect to both VP and HP. Here I am going to have only the inclination with respect to HP. So what we have done, when you are going to draw it, we are going to consider drawing the locus. The same thing we are going to do it with respect to a 3D model. So after drawing the true inclination with respect to HP, which is 45 degrees, so the actual meaning is we are going to keep the pentagon here. Then I am going to draw the locus line. This is the locus line. Same thing here. This is the actual surface. That's why we represented it as the locus of M, which is going to be in capital letter because it is the actual surface. It's a 3D surface. Now it is something which I need to keep. This point should be touching this locus line, and also it should be maintaining 30 degrees with respect to VP. So that is what we are going to find it. So now we got that point by drawing a line which is going to touch this locus of M. So in front view, now we are going to see it in the front view. So in front view we are going to be drawing the true length of the diagonal initially. So that's what we're going to draw it. First thing is we're going to draw true length of the diagonal which is going to be inclined 45 degrees. Then we are going to draw the locus. So that locus is nothing but the surface. Then we are going to find the apparent length. So that means A dash to M1 dash. Here I am going to cut this A to M, that is nothing but here, which is inclined 30 degrees. So this is the line what has been drawn is going to be having 30 degrees with respect to VP. And the next step is I'm going to keep this pentagon on this diagonal. So then it will look like, so when I'm going to keep the pentagon on this perpendicular bisector, it will be looking like this. So this is nothing but the question says is true inclination with respect to HP. That means he is going to keep the true pentagon and keep it inclined, and we are going to need to keep the pentagon which is going to be 30 degrees with respect to VP, and also we need to find the apparent inclination which is nothing but the alpha. So in front view it is going to be look like this. So we are not going to be drawing this pentagon. Instead we are going to retain only which is going to be copied from the second step, keeping it here. So we are going to retain only the step which is having inclination with respect to VP, also HP, and along with this locus line. That is what we are going to draw it here. Then in the front view you will be able to see it like this. In top view, first step, second step is the line view, third step is the surface view. That is what we are going to get it here. Hope you understood the concept. Have a good day.